At number one, I'm going to have the WEEX exchange, WEEX. This is one of my favorites just because of how fast it is and primarily because it has lower fees. If you guys can get a product that's going to give you low fees and it actually does what it's supposed to do, you're going to make me a very happy guy, and I think you guys are going to be very happy as well. Now, they have a good amount of leverage there. They have up to like 100x in some circumstances, up to 200% in some circumstances. But most of you guys at most should really stick around 25 at their very, very most. However, because the fees are so much lower, you're going to see a lot of individuals going there so they can do the high leverage because they can risk a lot of money on the leverage side, but understand it's not going to cost them a lot in order to risk that, if that makes sense. So for example, if I'm trading $100 with 200x leverage, it's not going to bankrupt me where I have to make 40-50% back in order to pay off the fees themselves before I even start making any money back for myself, right? So the spreads are good. Liquidity is very good. They've been around since around 2018, which is something I really look for in exchanges nowadays, because the ones nowadays, they're really fine-tuned to making as much money as possible instead of just keeping the traders on their platform for long periods of time. They want you to keep on trading because, of course, they're going to make fees off of you, but they'd rather you do low amounts of fees forever instead of doing high amounts of fees, burning out, and then they have to find somebody else in order to trade on their exchange, which I think overall is just a healthy way to think about your investors. You want to keep them with you for long periods of time. You want to see their account grow because when their account grows, your account grows. That's the type of mindset I really do enjoy from WEEX. Now, they also have a bunch of tokens out there, like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tokens. I primarily only trade up to like 20 tokens on the exchange. Most of it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. But every now and again, when they have some type of big mover, like, they have their exchange token WEEX, or WXT, where you can get a airdrop. If you guys like airdrops, you can guys get airdrops there. But when I'm trading my airdrop tokens, okay, then I'll trade that. Maybe I'll trade something that's really booming, like, oh my God, there's this new meme coin popping out of nowhere. I got to trade that to make some easy money. That's when I go outside of the box. I am a day trader for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana primarily. But if you guys like day trading the most volatile tokens, you can do it there safely with low spreads. I cannot stress the low spreads. I hate dealing with bad spreads when it comes to a very volatile token. It's very easy to lose money that way because on top of that, you got to pay a fee to do leverage, which isn't bad here, like I said, but it's still a fee. Then you got to worry about not being able to get out when you actually want to get out of the position, especially if it's dropping like a rock. You don't want to have to think about this, and this just makes it a pleasant trading experience. This is primarily for swing traders, day traders, and really scalpers. If you guys want to trade a lot, the WEEX exchange is going to be very, very good, primarily because you're not paying a lot to trade a lot, which is, something that you think would be obvious, but not always. But let me say this. This is where a lot of your actual day-to-day trading is going to happen. So if you guys imagine yourself with multiple monitors, like I got right over here, and I want to have multiple things on them, this is going to be one of those exchanges where, okay, I may have trading view up here, I may have news over here, I may have live data coming through right there, and then I have on my wide monitor, I have WEEX, and then I have all the charts on there looking fine. So when I want to execute a trade, I go from here, swivel around, make sure there's no breaking news that I need to check on, and then boom, right there, I can see what I need to see. I can trade what I need to trade. Therefore, I'll be a very happy camper. They also have a few things out there that you guys might know about, but these things are like you can trade oil now on there. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but if you guys want to trade some commodities, they're slowly adding it in there. And what I did think was fairly interesting over the last few days is when Bitcoin was starting to run, you saw a lot of the copy traders doing very, very well. I have mixed feeling on copy traders just because of the way they work, but a lot of you guys don't like to copy people directly. You don't want to have, like, if they buy, you guys don't want to do that. I understand. I will say this, they let you see what they're trading and when they trade. So if you guys wanted to, you could be following a copy trader and say, hey, that person just opened up a long. Now, I'm not copying them, but I see they opened up a long. I wonder, why did they go long? And you could actually try to learn from that and see, hey, there's an experienced trader whose account has gone up a lot over the past few weeks, past few months. They have about an 80 to 90% completion rate, or win rate, if you will, when it comes to crypto, especially with Bitcoin. They just bought right now. Why did they buy? And as you learn to see those patterns, as somebody who's autistic, as you learn to see those patterns, you are going to be much better when it comes to trading as well, because your instinct from what you've been learning may say, I should short right here. You see them go long, then after a while, you really understand why they went long. I think that type of stuff is so healthy to learn, as you're looking to become an investor. Now, if you want to try this one out, I do have a link for this one in my description. The rest of them I do not, but this is one I use quite a bit. So if you guys want to support the channel, you can use the link down below and try. Now, for number 2 on the list, we have Kraken. A lot of people don't think about Kraken, but if you guys want to move good amounts of money through Bitcoin, through Ethereum, Kraken is going to be your best friend. When you're talking about a lot of other exchanges out there, even like the Coinbases and whatnot, it's just not as good as Kraken. I don't know why everything just seems to flow so much more smoothly. You get your money faster, even though it's on the same, Tether or USDC. Everything's the same, except for it just seems to go a lot faster and smoother and a bit the better UI, I might say, when it comes to Kraken. Couple things here. They have really good liquidity. So if you guys don't like to deal with slippage, this is going to want to be your favorite spots to be moving money around. And they also have an advanced charting system, kind of like a WEEX. I prefer WEEX because of how the leverage works out there. However, because all of these are in America, they're all going to have certain types of rules, you might say. And I think that's fine because especially if they are allowed to be in America, especially when it comes to WEEX or even a Kraken here, they're going to have top tier security. They have never suffered a major hack. And if you guys have been worried or you guys have seen news about hacks happening to your exchanges and whatnot, they've never had a major hack. They've never had millions and billions of dollars of crypto just taken from them. That is something I find precious because since they've been around for a long time, since like 2013, 2011, they've seen a thing or two because they've been around for so long and this is a very hectic market. One of the things that I think you guys should be aware of and that it kind of drew me into Kraken in the first place is they understand how to talk to state governments as well as the federal government. A lot of times you're going to see exchanges that are available in the United States, but they're not really available in a California or Arizona or a Texas or New York. These guys generally do a very good job. And on top of it, they just made a Kraken bank. The only reason I mention banks is because in cryptocurrency right now, we don't have anything like an FDIC insurance to kind of protect us if our Bitcoin is stolen or Ethereum is stolen, something to that degree. However, when you have a bank, you can start doing the FDIC insurance for some of your funds up to $250,000. This is primarily going to be for the US denominations and stuff like that. But I do like the fact that they're getting into that because I want more security. The more security that gets involved with cryptocurrency when it comes to protecting your money, that means it's more likely to attract a lot of people from Wall Street, people that have money. Because right now, all they're probably buying is ETFs because those are primarily protected by the FDIC and the SPIC. Kraken, absolutely amazing. Love the exchange. Give it a shot. I don't have a link for it down below, but don't worry about it. I don't need no commissions or something like that. Give it a shot. See what you guys like about it. I think a lot of people kind of focus on Coinbase because it's the popular one. Everybody's been using it for a very long time. But a lot of times when the market's going crazy, you guys see that Coinbase is crashing and burning because they can't keep up with the orders. Kraken's having no such problems. And that's why I like to move large amounts of money over there, because if you see Bitcoin crashing and burning, and let's say I have like $20,000 ready to go to buy a big Bitcoin crash or a big Ethereum crash because Ethereum goes down like 20% sometimes. Well, guess what? When I do that order, I really want to make sure it's actually going to execute because within 24 hours, you guys know the price action is going to shoot that sucker back up. And I'm going to make a good 10 to 15% profit in 25 hours. 24 hours. So very, very important for me that I have that ability, especially when the market is going crazy. And you guys know right now we live in crazy times. The market can go down real fast and go high really fast. I need to be able to get in and out, especially when I'm doing large amounts of non-leverage trading. And if you guys want to do leverage, they have it too. It's just not as good as WEEX when it comes to the day trading and scalping aspect of it. I would even say Kraken is more suited for your swing traders out there, to be honest. Now, we're finally to number 3, and this is more of an exchange for your Bitcoin maxis. It's called River. This is going to be like a Bitcoin fortress or just your massive Bitcoin on-ramp. If you guys have a lot of Bitcoin, you've been saving and buying for many years, and you want to get all that Bitcoin out, and you want to go back into the dollars because you want to invest in Microsoft or Nvidia or AI or anything like that, River is going to be your favorite thing. River is part of a balanced diet, as I would put it, because you're not going to be doing a crazy amount of day trading or even leverage trading or anything like that over there. You're basically going to be using it for large Bitcoin orders. Almost like how we were talking about Kraken, how Kraken, I'm going to be using it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. River is if you guys specifically enjoy trading Bitcoin because there are so many Bitcoin maxis out there, this is going to be one of the best opportunities for you to focus exactly what you want to do, You don't have all the nonsense of all the noise of meme coins, altcoins, all that type of stuff. No, you don't got to worry about it. You're just focused on Bitcoin. All of your charts are Bitcoin. All of your news is Bitcoin. Everything matches very, very well. Very, very well. And what I think, if you guys like to dollar cost average, they do have 0 fee recurring buys. So if you guys want to buy $10 a week, $20 a week, $1,000 a week, you're not paying fees for that. If you guys are looking to be a little bit more measured as far as you trade, you're not looking for large amounts of leverage, you guys are looking for more security and a little bit more stabilization, then you guys are going to be looking for Kraken. But if you guys are making profits off of Kraken or WEEX and you guys want to just move that over to Bitcoin, then you'd want to hold that Bit or Kraken instead of holding a large amount on WEEX. It's a very weird type of thing, but every one of these exchanges is going to have something very, very unique to it. Very, very, very unique. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if you guys have any exchanges you'd recommend to your friends, let me know down below. I'd also like to talk about those too.